Welcome everyone, how's it going to my new video presentation on Bitcoin Cash price prediction for January 2023. After BTC ETF has been approved, we have seen a great market reaction on the altcoin side. Bitcoin Cash has been around the major resistance and it's about to break out. So we're speaking about a significant moment, and I would like to share with you the expectations possible for January out there. Before we get into the topic, make sure to follow me, subscribe on my main channel. We have many other videos including price predictions and live trading, as you can see, YouTube shorts, with all sorts of trades that I'm executing and presenting to you live. At the same time, there's a trade going on, my usual trade right here, $183,000 pure profit on it. And you can basically join my done for you trading. You can join my journey and participate with my trades without any upfront fees. Just a commission from the pure profits achieved. Simple trading done for you through API trading permission. For those of you that are trading by themselves and enjoying the crypto space, but would like to take it to the next level and achieve financial freedom, then this is the one-on-one coaching with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade from A to Z, guys. Been trading around 2014 and we're having a great time on the topic. So Bitcoin Cash is the technical daily candlesticks. We are looking at a situation out here which looks very, very good from the current standpoint, as well promising for the future. What's going on, folks? Well, throughout the entire period, you've been supported by the 200 days moving average since 17th of August. This is very significant at a time you find so many confirmations, such as number 1, 2, 3, 4 confirmations. All of them are significant considering the gap formed in between them. So that's something that I always consider researching. All of them are representing a significant reaction. Most of the time, we've been able to react as well above the 100 days moving average, which pretty much kept the markets without permitting the closing below. We were just wicking on the 200 days and holding with the charts very, very well. At the same time, we've been clearly finding our movement in the upper side of the cloud of the end short volume weighted average price. This is where we speak about a charting that used to be bullish as long as has the ability to find itself on supports above this level. So it's the lower part or the upper part of the cloud making the difference of what is about to be expected. Then you are breaking out basically of the structure golden pocket, which is situated at $270. This breakout happened yesterday, and we're actually breaking out of an environment resistance line right now, which is actually the most important thing at the end of the day. As soon as we successfully break out, unless the markets today will decide basically to retrace and deny the whole movement. It's a daily candle. It still has 16 hours to go, so you got to be patient with that. This is an environment trending line, which I'd like to share with you. It starts basically back in the day a while ago, and it is very, very aggressive, having basically the starting time on 2021 December. That's a huge time, folks, and that's how the markets have went for so long period of time, considering the fact that we are speaking about a condition out here which is pretty good in the way it's structurized. At the moment after the breakout, we are expecting basically for the first target the major golden pocket. The major golden pocket will be situated on 15% movement from here, anywhere between 330 up to 345, 350s, right? So there is a $20 gap right there filled up with resistance pressure, with selling pressure on board. It's also the top we have been forming back in the day. And as soon as we're able to stay above our environment line, which is something we can perform as a few weeks in that area, we do not have to necessarily continue after the golden pocket without retracement. It's not necessarily out there to continue, but the first targets will get basically to the 1.61 extension on $430, which is obviously not an easy target from the current level, speaking about 48% for a cryptocurrency which didn't move that much in this rally, and it just started. Of course, it's difficult basically to set its limits as soon as it starts breaking above and confirms. And on top of that, if you might get the altcoins market doing well, this one is going to perform on the same page. So I would see basically for a January movement on the 330s up to 345, 350s as maximum. This is going to be a major resistance, and I don't mind basically seeing a retracement from there, as well as ranging momentum at the top. It's no problem deviating as well, breaking above on a false way and then coming back. What is essential at that time basically to stay above the golden pocket and above the environment's previous resistance, which will then become our support. That's what is going to be important for us as a conservative approach for January, folks. There is room towards the upside. It will go, but you gotta be patient with that. I'm not here to put out predictions that are astronomical or not backed up by anything, just pure desire of making more money. That is how you actually go into bankruptcy, folks. When it comes down to crypto trading, you need to be very good at it. Beautiful. So once again, for those of you that would like to join my trades, feel free to reach out. Feel free to check out my trading journal. Option number 1 is without any upfront fees, just like I said. Only commission from the pure profits achieved based on performance, completely outsourced for you. We are trading basically through API trading permission. And then the one-on-one coaching program, well, this is a mentorship program where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. I'll actually taking care by you personally on this trading journey, teaching you live on conversations on Zoom, with me sharing my screen and showing you exactly basically how the entire procedure starts from the learning the technicals. Understanding the language of the market is essential, guys. You can find out more in the video explaining on my page and a detailed way how does it work. You can also qualify for a free conversation with me. Enjoy, folks. Register now for more details. Like this video and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon.